Let's learn to build with Django. We'll assume that you have it installed on your machine. Get to the command prompt and get to your desktop. Start a project and get to the new project directory. Run this command. Migrations are a way to propagate changes to models into the database schema. You can think of them as a version control system for your database schema. And then run the Django server. You have successfully installed Django. This is your project directory. You have project 0, db.sqlite3 and manage.py. And inside project 0, you have these 5 files and directories. And this is inside PyCache. Now quit the server and create an app with this command. The app0 directory has been created inside project 0. These are its contents. Now let's add our app's name in the list of installed apps in the settings.py file inside project 0. Let's run our server again and go to the admin page. This is the Django admin interface. You can use it to perform CRUD operations on the model. This comes from the django.contrib.admin part in the installed apps section we observed in settings.py. You can also get here by typing this: localhost 8000 admin. Let's quit the server and create a super user. We'll fill in the username, email address, and a password. Run the server again and log in with the username and password you just created. This is your dashboard. Now let's create a simple project. We first create a file views.py in the inner project 0 directory. This is what it holds. Now let's move to project 0 and import this function hello from views. Let's open urls.py. This URL pattern tuple maps URLs to views. Let's make this import hello and add this value to URL patterns. Save this and get to this URL. Localhost 8000 hello. It says hello. This was your first hello program in Django.